Hey guys, I just want to make this quick video. If you're looking how you can reset a Panasonic microwave, I found this comment is that there is no reset button on the Panasonic inverter microwave ovens, and that's something that you actually need to know, that it doesn't have a reset button. The only way how you can reset it is that when you are going to unplug it, wait for 5-10 minutes and plug it back in, and that's the thing that you can do if you want to reset it. So just want to save you time and not watch like hundreds of videos that are the same style. This is what you can do. Maybe it's going to fix it. I hope it does when you can unplug it and plug it back in, but I don't know. But I just still wanted to make this quick video for you, and I hope it was at least a little bit of beneficial. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.